wish we could give it a go. See if we could be something. Now wish I was your favorite girl. Now wish you thought I was the reason you were in the world. I wish my smile was your favorite kind of smile. Wish the way I dressed was your favorite kind of style. Wish you couldn't figure me out, but you'd always wanna know what I was about. I wish you'd hold my hand when I was upset. I wish you'd never forget the look on my face when we first met. And I wish you had a favorite beauty spot that you love secretly, 'cause it was on a hidden bit that nobody else could see. Basically, I wish that you loved me. I wish that you needed me. And I wish that you knew when I said 2 sugars, actually I meant 3. And I wish that without me your heart would break. Yeah, I wish that without me you'd be spending the rest of your nights awake. Wish that without me you couldn't eat. And I wish I was the last thing on your mind before you went to sleep. All I know is that you're the nicest thing I've ever seen. I just wish we could see if we could be something. I wish we could see if we